Hi, M5721. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good morning. I'm Annabel T. Ancheta. I am 41 years of age. I am fourth year college undergraduate in University of the East. I am happily married with two kids. One is 11 years old and one is 19 years old. My last experience is I am 3 years
Helper.
helper in here in the Philippines, consisting of four family members, one newborn and one 7 years old. My main duties there is to clean the house, washing the dishes, ironing the clothes, and mostly take care of the children.
Okay, and what course did you take on college?
Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Banking and Finance.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn, which is 1 month old baby, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for this newborn baby?
Yeah, for this one, sir, you have to wash your hands first, then check if the bottle is already sterilized, then put the correct amount of water, then put the correct amount of formula, then shake it to avoid the bubbles, then check the temperature of the water and give to the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
Check first the temperature of the baby, check if the stomach has colic, then check if the diaper is, you have to change the diaper already or not.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the temperature of the baby and also check the tummy of the baby, maybe the baby has a colic, or also you feed the baby and you also change the diaper. Everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work.
Okay.
What will you do?
So maybe it's the time certain I will go to tell to my employer about the baby that I do everything, but the baby still stop not crying.
Okay, because maybe only the parents know what to do to the baby to make it stop to
Yes.
cry, right? Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
In despite for high salary, it will help me finance my financial needs of my family, especially for the schooling of my children.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wanted me to stay, I will stay to them.
Okay. If there is any instances that there is a person outside of the house of your employer telling that they were a visitor and asked you to go inside of the house and your employer doesn't at home that day, what will you do?
For that one, I have to call my employer first and ask them if they have expecting visitors to come. If not, I will not talk to the visitors and I will not open the gate for them.
Okay.
And I will call the police.
Okay, that's the right thing you should do because it's too dangerous to entertain people that your employer doesn't know because they were pretending that they were a visitors, and you have to call the police. Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
I don't have any idea for to prepare Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn through
Okay.
watching YouTube, or I will buy some recipe books or have some trainings.
Okay. And also, if your employees have a time to prepare food for themselves, you could also help them how do they prepare so that you could learn, right?
Yes.
Okay. It is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provides.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs or the helper.
Okay, sir.
How about sharing bed with the children?
No problem.
Okay. It is okay to you to work on Sunday or on a holiday setup by your employer. How about taking care of pets?
Yes.
Taking care of elderly.
No problem.
It's okay to you to take them go to the hospital for checkups also.
Yes.
That elderly. Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Okay, sir. For my future employer, if you're going to hire me, I will not promise, but I will do my best to do all my tasks and responsibilities and to help your family and make them as my own. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Annabelle. Thank you.